Additional material. So what's this? This is relating to
anything else you need. I think this means anything else we need that doesn't fit into a scenario. Or is this the access rider?
I think it can be both.
Yeah. So I need a break every 2 hours. Well, with it at least every 2 hours.
Yeah.
And I need this break to be of a decent length, like 15 minutes at least. 5-minute breaks, that's not a break.
Okay, yeah, that's really, yeah. Is that for both online and in the room?
Yes, although in the room it could be staggered, couldn't it? One of us could have a break and then another one could have a break so the room doesn't get disrupted. Or maybe the whole room needs a break. Maybe that's what we do, we ask.
Yes. Yeah. I'd quite like to be told when to stop.
Okay.
Requirements specific to us and our working relationships. So we've already put some in. Ewan says he wants someone to finish the things he started. I want you to use the safe word, heriol. And we want to notice or question our norms that we've already established. And if we want to be more explicit about our needs rather than assuming we need them. Yeah. The thing about WhatsApp, right? WhatsApp, I really like WhatsApp. I think we should use WhatsApp for quick messages and then email for attachments and things like that. How do you like to, do you like WhatsApp for everything?
God, no.
Okay.
You see, I really like to just switch off, but there's like, I might not look at my emails for days if I'm on my other job. But so for me, WhatsApp is I'm more responsive.
Yeah, okay.
Well, not maybe urgent, but for short notifications, like
for short notifications and questions.
Yeah.
Yes. Email for longer or attachments.
And hopefully that will fit in with you, Anne, as well, because
Yeah.
obviously, yeah, that seems nice.
And is there anything you would like to ask for? So Ewan's asked for someone to finish it started. I've asked for the Heriol safe word.
Can't think of anything like at the moment.
Response times. Do you want? Is it helping people respond to you?
No, I'm letting that go.
Are you?
Yeah. For me, it's like, people might not respond because it's just not convenient, and that's okay. And it's me accepting that. But then it will get to a point where actually I need to know, and then I'll chase them, and that will be that. I tell you what I'd like. It's just nice to express my frustration, and then I can kind of act upon it and go, right, this is actually bothering me enough to share it. Now I need to get it sorted, and someone needs to communicate with me about something,
Yes. Okay. So Katie would like to be able to express frustration, e.g. when people haven't responded.
But I don't need a solution. I don't need someone to resolve it necessarily.
When you send emails, do you have a thing around like always putting Gobber Glass at the front of ones about Gobber Glass? Do you have anything like that?
We haven't yet, but I think maybe we should, because my email boxes are just totally out of control.
I really like that.
Okay, that's really useful. Right.
Is it Gobber Glass the first was it G? No, it'd have to be something more than that, wouldn't it? Always
Gobber Glass.
In subject line. It just means that I can find things. We'll put Gobber Glass in the subject line of emails so that we can find them all when searching.